In fact, we have a golden opportunity at this conference, which we have seized. The government of China is going to co-host one of our side meetings dedicated to the discussion on wildlife trafficking and international law. And this forum will be a forum, and I think our Kenya Wildlife Service will be making presentations there at a very high level. It will be an opportunity for both China and Asian countries and the government of Kenya to dramatize the opposition we have to this traffic and to share with other people and other countries what we are doing together to fight this. And I must thank the Chinese government because they have been very, very supportive of that particular segment of our meeting. And I do hope that by the end of the Nairobi meeting on Friday, there will be a heightened sense of what we need to do together with the destination countries about this trade. I can assure you that much is happening on the ground, but the truth is it's not 100% under control, and we must continue to work at it.
But yet